Hello everyone. In this video, we'll have a look at gene database. The gene database at NCBI is one of the chief resources for accessing mostly all the information regarding a specific gene. It is a collection of lot of data from various resources such as expression data from geo profiles, variation data from ClinVar, dbGaP, OMIM, homologs from Homologene. It provides information regarding entire genomic composition, position of gene, number of introns and exons, gene products, and other supporting literature from PubMed and PMC. One can access gene database very easily. Just search for it on any browser. This is the homepage of Gene. It contains a query box, links to options like guide for using it, fact sheet, gene tool like BLAST, gene reference function, and other resources like OMIM, RevSeq, protein cluster. The user can search for the gene they're interested in by typing it in the query box. When a search of gene returns more than the one result, they are displayed by using the default tabular option. Each row of the tabular display includes name of the gene, its ID, a snippet about it, location of the chromosome, unofficial name and MIM. Search can also be defined by using gene source, category location, and all the search available in the advanced option as well as the taxon option. After picking up the gene, result windows open up which contain various parts including summary, genomic context, genomic reason, expression, bibliography, variation, pathway from PubChem, interaction, general information about gene and protein, NCBI RefSeq, related sequence and other additional links. The user can either click on the link in the table of content column or just scroll down the page to the part they're interested in. Summary contains information like gene ID, gene type, official name, primary source, orthologs, lineage, organism, etc. This is the genomic context section, which provides information like location, number of exons, and a graphic display of neighboring gene. For genes annotated by NCBI Eukaryotic Genomic Annotation Pipeline, the annotated location of the gene on the reference assembly is also displayed in the table format. For more information, a link to NCBI assembly is also present. The sequence coordinate for previous assembly is also listed. The number of exons represent the distinct, non-overlapping exons annotated for all the RefSeq transcript of a gene. Genomic region, transcript and product. This section provides a detailed interactive view of annotated location of gene and its feature in RefSeq. Zoom and pan navigation functions are also available. The track displayed can be configured using configure option. By default, gene track displays a merged rendering of transcript and coding region. The default display is customized according to the data available for a given organism. For humans, the display data includes several variation track representing short variant from DB-SNP, longer variants from DB-VAR, and variant of medical relevance from ClinVar. Additional tracks are available for some taxa such as human and mouse that include CDS, ensemble, repeats, and gene annotation. The bibliography section provides link to the scientific article related to the gene. The variation section allows the user to explore variation data in genomic region. General gene information section represent more relationship type between the gene. It also includes information regarding homologs and the functions, that is gene ontology. NCBI reference section provides reference genome annotation or assembly with genomic data. It also provides link where user can find complete DNA sequence of the search gene. Related sequence and additional link information section contain link of sequence which are closely related to the gene. For further more information, the user can visit PMC article through the link mentioned in below. Finally, it can be concluded that the NCBI gene database has information on gene sequence, gene allele, mutation, genome, and much more genetic data on human as well as other species. One can also explore many other resources through the NCBI gene database. That's all. Thank you.